two trusted giants in insurance, one big question: which one truly stands out? On one side, Travelers, the name you've seen for decades. On the other, the well-established Nationwide. Let's cut through the slogans and look at what actually matters. We'll award points in key categories and you'll see who comes out ahead by the end. The winner might just surprise you. So here's what we're looking at: price and discount, coverage options, customer service, claims experience, financial strength, and of course, digital experience. It's not just about who throws in the most freebies. It's about who has your back when you need it, right? Okay, first up, let's talk about price and discounts because, well, who doesn't want to save a couple bucks? Travelers definitely throws in some strong bundling discounts, and if you're a homeowner, you might get pretty competitive rates. But, and here's the catch, their auto insurance can be a bit pricier for some drivers, so keep an eye on that. Now, switching gears to Nationwide, this is where things heat up. Nationwide is generally just more affordable, especially for auto. Plus, they're out here with all kinds of discounts, like if you're accident-free or use smart tech in your car. The only thing is, weirdly enough, their home insurance can sometimes sneak up in price depending on where you live. But overall, if saving money is the goal, Nationwide's got the edge here. Alright, moving on to coverage options. Now this is where Travelers fans start getting loud. You want options? Travelers is kind of the king of customization. We're talking specialty policies, umbrella coverage, all kinds of additions, even rideshare or rental coverage if you need it. The downside? There are so many options it can get a little overwhelming. Now for Nationwide, their coverage checks pretty much every standard box. And oh, it's actually really strong for pet insurance, which is a weird flex, but I kinda love it. Also, they bring in perks like a vanishing deductible for your auto policy, but if you're looking for out-of-the-box specialty coverage, they actually skip a few of those extras. Bottom line. Travelers takes this round for sheer variety and depth. Next, customer service. So I'll start off with Travelers here. They've got 24/7 claims help. Gotta love that. Pretty solid local agents as well, which is a plus if you ever want an actual human instead of just an app. But not gonna sugarcoat it, folks have mixed feelings about how claims actually get paid out. Now for Nationwide, solid digital app, you can get support wherever you are and agents are all over the place. But some people say you might be stuck on hold for a while now and then. Honestly, it's a toss-up. Both of these are good but not perfect, calling it even. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Travelers goes all the way back to 1864? The founder literally insured his own train ride for just 2 cents. That's some serious throwback energy. Claims experience is where things can get spicy. Okay, so Travelers really strong here. They're known to jump into action quickly, especially in disasters. If you wreck your car, they sort it out fast, fair, you name it. The app isn't always a breeze, though can be a bit clunky if you're used to slicker designs. On the other hand, Nationwide is actually pretty lenient on the simple stuff and you can file claims multiple ways, online or via the app. But, and this is a bit of a letdown, they're not quite as quick for the more complicated cases. Travelers clearly wins this one for speed and reliability. On to financial strength, always good to know you won't be left hanging, right? Travelers, absolute powerhouse. They've been around for like over 160 years and scored the A++ rating from AM Best. That's almost as high as it gets. They're not the single biggest company out there, but stability-wise, you're super safe. Then there's Nationwide, also really strong, rated A+, which is excellent, and they've clearly stood the test of time too. But lately their outlook got slightly downgraded, so for sheer financial oomph, Travelers comes out on top. Last but not least, digital experience. Let's start with Travelers. Their website, super easy for getting quotes and some useful tools here and there, but yeah, the app leaves a bit to be desired. Feels a tad behind the times and sometimes it just lags. Now this is where Nationwide shines. Their app is super user-friendly, everything just moves faster, claims, payments, updates, breezy. I mean, minor outages happen but nobody's perfect. Overall, if living online is your thing, Nationwide takes this one easily. Just to give you a quick visual, Picture a radar chart with Travelers spiking on coverage options, claims experience, and financial strength, while Nationwide lights things up for price and digital experience. Pretty different strengths, depending on what matters most to you. So here's my honest take. Travelers is the go-to if you want deep coverage, fast claims, and that rock-solid financial backing, especially if you've got a lot to protect or you like to bundle. But if you care more about keeping your rates low, stacking up discounts, or just want a smoother digital experience, then Nationwide is honestly hard to beat. If this helped you compare top insurers, stay tuned and hit that follow. I'm dropping more expert insurance breakdowns soon.